is a ballast train here on the Canadian Pacific, Kansas City, in Dorval. April 14th, 2024, around 3:15 p.m. Oh, also mixed freight. Walking up the bike path here in Dorval seems to have paid off. This is eastbound freight, and it had a couple of locomotives on there, Canadian Pacific and Kansas City Southern. I always love to see those Kansas City Southern locomotives in the Montreal area. Very bright and colorful. Oh, he's slowing down. He's probably going to stop at Dorval. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if these containers ended up at the Port of Montreal at some point. And that's the end of the train. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.